washing machine. To operate with it, make sure its wash switch is on. Then, open the door, load your laundry, and close the door until you hear a click. Then, you should load your detergents. Here for normal detergent, here for the pre-wash, and here for the softener. You should then close this drawer and press the on and off button. You can then choose which program you would like to use. Make note that you can also wash and dry for a quick 45 minutes on the 13 program. You can then rotate the knob You can check the temperature here on the temperature button and here for the rotations. Once you are done selecting your preferred mode, you can then select Start or Pause button.